just have a look at to your LMS which we have uploaded up to now. So there we had a subject content called advertising overview. There we had lesson one. But most probably I think until next semester vacation we had physical lectures, and after mid only we had this COVID 2019 issues, and we gone all the lecture by online, right? But I have uploaded all the things, all the syllabus into that. So these are some of that, and we had a Zoom lecture, and another one will be advertising environment. The lesson will be there, and in addition to that, number of advertisements, and there as it is, we say that unethical advertisement, ethics in advertisement that are discussed in this content. And other one is press advertisement, printing that we say. We had a lesson handout is there. In addition to that, advertisement and newspaper available in Sri Lanka. And in next one, we had radio and TV, had broadcasting channels, media, and both of we had a lesson is there. In addition to that, we had a radio advertisement, TV advertisement. Maybe billboard is one of printing, though it is come under probably come under outdoor. We say outdoor. Another advertisements are there in outdoor advertisement. There we had few advertisement about advertising, and most offensive ad and failure. We had a Zoom lecture recording also there. I hope another Zoom lecture recording I didn't upload it. I will upload today once the lecture finishes, and this lecture recording also will be uploaded once the lecture finishes. Do another content we had lesson 5, that is like advertising agency and that and this, right? So basically, as the number of students requested from me to share a past paper, I had share. What I can do is I will share another year past paper as well. Maybe by 2018 also I will put here. I will do once the lecture finish today itself. Another announcement would like to tell you what you have to do is there is a module available. What we say is at the dean's office. What you can do is you can take this module for your reference. Most probably we had handover module which have very detailed. You can use it for your reference in future, maybe like whatever it is, you can use it for it. You don't need to detail look into it for examination point of view, but you can take this as as references for your future thing. So the books are ready with the dean office, science dean office, and you can collect this. I hope you are available in the university premises, right? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are available in the university premises now, right? You are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can please just collect it and just keep it for your references, additional things, but not fully focus on this for examination point of view, as I am telling you, because this is in very detail. Some more additional chapters are there. This is what the content. Basically, introduction is there, ethical is there, second one, third one is there, fourth one, fifth one is there. But these two additional I didn't go through because as a non-management student, these are somewhat advanced, right? And maybe for a full content of the advertising management should contain all of these, but we didn't chat in the lecture halls as it is in somewhat advanced, and most probably which I have discussed as 5 lesson will be entitled for final examination, right? But this you can keep it for your additional references. Right? So please kindly take it by contacting Mr. Nishantan attached to Dean of his Faculty of Science. So please contact him and just collect. I don't know whether he is getting a signature and handing over or not. Please collect. Right? So this is one information. Second information, what we are trying to tell is we had these number of things. I will upload another past paper as well. These are the things. Most probably when you log into this lesson and study, and these advertisement will give more knowledge about the chapter. And Zoom lecture will be give you a summary of the chapter as we done. But this lesson handout will be mostly helpful for your final examination. Right? So this is what I would like to tell you. And as the decision taken in the Faculty of Science, we are 100% marks will be allocated for final examination only this time. So that will be another thing. So what we can do is which we have seen these handouts. One, you can see this, right? One we had, after all discussion about which is like advertising definition, marketing mix, promotion, right? Marketing promotional mix elements, sales promotion, use of promotion. Those some of the definition of advertisement and objective of advertisement are covered in the first lesson. Right? Probably in the second one, this second one will be talk like environment of advertisement. There we had changing environment, how the environment is changed over the way, and up to pioneer advertisement and to modern advertisement. Uh, Ethics in advertisement. When you look into your LMS and view the advertisement which we have put for ethic in advertisement, you will simply know what is ethics and right? Some, but you have to follow right by morally and by ethically, legally. You have to follow some ethical concept in advertisement. So in LMS you had that another one or two advertisements, some unethical advertisement, some ethics and advertisement. Ethical in advertising and promotion, that will be a main part of this handout will be discussed. And in addition to that type of norms, descriptive and inductive, and finally we talked about advertisement culture. Right? That is in the second handout. Probably in the third handout also we talked about radio advertisement, press advertisement. There we talked about printing, newspaper, magazine, printing, newspaper, magazine. In addition to that, circulation and readership will be another issue. There and importance of press advertisement, type of advertisement. You can see which I am sharing, right? Hello? No. Hello? Hello? You can see me which I am sharing, right? So what we have discussed is chapter 1 is almost. There you had to see about the definition of advertisement, about marketing mix, promotion, marketing mix element, also sales promotion, use of promotion, some of definitions of advertisement and objective of the advertisement. In addition to that, second one I talk about environment of advertisement. They are environment, changing environment of advertisement from traditional mode to modern mode. In addition to that, ethics in advertisement, some ethical concept. As I told you, you just log into LMS and view that advertisements which are uploaded under this section. So it might be very simply, you may maybe understand unethical norms of types of norm, descriptive and injunctive. In addition to that, advertisement culture will be taught here. And in second lesson, third one, what we had is uh, third one, as I told you, print, press advertisement. In addition to that, circulation and readership, which is a very important one. In addition to that, size of the newspapers, importance of press advertisement, type of printing. There are and those are talked under outdoor advertisement as well. So just view some of the advertisement uploading section will be advantages. And, newspaper, magazine, directory, additional printing methods. We had brochure, flyer, postcard, etc. etc. Display also one of these. We display the printed things. Billboard also display the printed things. And internet also we display the printed, edited things. So this is another one. And chapter 4 has talked about radio, TV, broadcast, uh, broadcasting, broadcasting, radio broadcasting, television channels are there. Advantages of the radio advertisement and radio ad of the following limitation which I have talked. Television overview about television, history of television, advantages of the television, disadvantages of the television, end of the handout as well. And the fifth one we are talk about agency, advertising. Don't know why it goes. Advertising agencies there. They are talked. I mean. The activities of the advertising agency, main activity, functions of advertising agency, type of advertising agency, and that what the full of. So this is the 5 lessons for examination point of view. An additional material upload in each section for your additional knowledge, and the course module for your reference and future usage. And this is what the summary. Is anything else to comment?